In this video, I'm going to show you how you can color grade your image to pop up the colors and have a professional look afterwards. So without spending much time, let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate the background layer by dragging it down to this point, or let me just press Command Z to undo, or I'm just going to press Command J on the keyboard to duplicate the layer. So whichever works for you, it's fine. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the filter. Then I'm going to select camera raw filter. Then once it's open, I'm just going to start by adjusting the basics right here. So I'll open the basics. Then I'm going to take the exposure up. You can see it's very bright. Don't worry. After all the adjustment, it's going to come back to normal. So I'll add the exposure to 70, like plus 0.70. And the contrast, I'm going to add the contrast a bit. And the highlight, I'm going to take it to minus 60. So the contrast, I leave it at plus 17, or let me just take it to plus 20. And for the shadows, I'm just going to add the shadows to plus 11. And the white, I'm going to reduce the white to minus 60, or minus 62 is fine. For the black, I'm just going to adjust it to about I'm going to leave it at minus 60 as well. I'll leave it at minus 60. So for the texture, I'm going to add 1. For the clarity, I'm going to add 2. So once I'm done right here with the basics, I'll still come back to the basics to adjust some things. But for now, I'll head on to color mixer. Then I'm going to select the saturation. So I'll take the orange up. So I'm just going to take the orange to about 60 plus 65. So I'm also going to add the red to about plus 30, or plus 20, plus 30. And the yellows too, I'm going to add to plus 46. So, and the green, I'm going to add the green a bit. And I'm going to take this magenta up. Then the purple, I'm going to add a bit. Then I'll go select the hue. So when I select the hue, I'm just going to play around with these settings right here. So I'm just going to take the yellow to plus 65. So for the orange, I'm just going to play around with the adjustment just a bit. So for the orange, I'm going to use minus 5. Then the red, I'm going to take the red to plus, or sorry, minus 35. So for the magenta, I think I'll just leave it at plus 21. Then once I'm done here, I'm not going to adjust any other thing right here again. So once I'm done, I'll close it, then head on to effect. Then I'm going to add to about minus 17. Then I'm going to open the calibration, and I'm going to take this. Then I'll take this to minus 2. Let me just change it to minus 1 because I just want a little effect of it. And I'm going to close, head on to basics. Then I'm going to take the exposure up a bit. Then the red, the black, I'm going to take it down to minus 62. So once I'm done here, I'm going to click OK. Once I'm done clicking OK, let me show you. This is the before and this is the after. But I'm going to use some adjustment to it to pop up the colors again. So I'm going to open the selective color. For the red, I'm just going to take the red to minus 10. For the magenta, I'm going to add the magenta to plus 1. Then the yellow, I'm going to add it a bit. Then I'm going to take the black to plus 5. Then I open the yellow. That was for the plus. Then I'll take the yellow right to this point. Then the magenta, I'm just going to add the magenta just a bit. Then the yellow right there, I'll add it. Then the red, I'm just playing around with the settings. I'll give it more contrast. Then I'll open the green. Then I'll just adjust it. You can see there's no much effect. So once I'm done there, I'll open the brightness and contrast. Then I'm going to add brightness to the image. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of contrast. Open the curve, then brighten it just a bit. So I'm just going to brighten this just a bit. You can see, and I'm going to adjust this point to add more contrast to the image. So once I'm done there, I'm just going to show you guys the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. And this video, if you're having difficulties retouching your image, watch this video and learn the professional tips I've provided on how to retouch your image. So see you on the next one.